How to see current password on Instagram. First of all, open up your settings and scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on Google. Now go to manage your Google account. Now scroll to the right and tap on security. Now scroll down a bit and tap on password. Tap on manage passwords. Now tap on Instagram. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a bonding question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.